Okay, time for a little documentation. I got this thing working. I have a slightly magnetized nail. Nothing crazy, just ever so slightly magnetized. Okay. This is going to be my trigger. Watch. I'm running 27.3 volts through the system. Okay. I'm going to just tap the end of this on these nails. I got number 8-penny nails in there. I got 2 in each coil going down in to couple them so that I can get a trigger off of the coil. So I'm just going to touch it eventually. Here it goes. You see them, they're working, okay? So there's a rotating magnetic field here. I actually have some neon bulbs that'll help prove that there's high voltage going on there. Let me see if I can zoom in on them. See the green? Not the LEDs. Come on, you can do it. There you go. There's some green right there. There's another one over there. That's a green neon bulb. Okay, and I have some things going on with it yet. You know, there might be some loose connections. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if the transistors are malfunctioning or not, but like this goes dim, now it just went out. So I think I have some loose connections maybe. Oops, I had it on. I don't know what's going on for sure. There it is. Oh, so it's a little finicky. I might need a little bit more voltage, maybe. That'll stabilize it, so I'm going to try that. But it does work. It is working. Wanted to let you know.